Hello everybody. Today we're going to see how I draw Quick Strike. Okay, pencils first and then Sharpie. So if you don't want to watch the pencil portion of the video where I sketch the entire thing out, look in the description and you'll see a link that you can click on that will take you to the Sharpie portion of the video. There's also going to be one with color. So if you want to stick around, I'm going to start off with a quick sketch for myself and get us going. Let's see. Okay, I'm doing something like this. And I gotta be careful here. I'm starting to get a little too big. I'm getting too excited. And so I gotta dial it back a little bit. Let's see how quick we can make this quick strike. Okay, alright. Not too bad, not too bad. I'm gonna try to just refine a few things here. Let's see, it's going back like that more. This goes back. This goes down. Over. Okay. This is very intricate. Intricate. Okay, I think that's good. I think I can live with that. Okay, so not going to worry about all the bandages. I'm going to do that with color. Or I mean, not with color, with the Sharpie. Okay. It's a little short there. If I can extend that out a little bit. All right. I think that's about it. I'm going to keep the sketch really quick, really loose. And build off of that. So let me erase some of it just so it doesn't stand out whenever I start to add the Sharpie. And I can build off of this. Okay, so I think we're done. We're ready. That was a quick sketch for a quick strike. So let's welcome all the skippers that jumped to the Sharpie section. So welcome people, welcome skippers. Those of you that skipped to the Sharpie section, I'm going to be using a Sharpie fine point and a Sharpie pen, mostly the fine point, but we're going to bring the pen back every now and then just to play around with line widths and fun. Okay, so I already sketched it out. I know where I'm going, so I'm just going to go ahead and just draw this right there. That guides me as to where else am I going to go? What do I got to do? So I'm going to kind of come up like this. I'm going to go up like this and then do it back around for the edge of the blade. Then connect it like that. And here's where I'll have a little bit of fun and just do something like this with this thinner Sharpie. Just to do like a contrast. Like that. Okay, so now I'm going to build off of this. And I'm going to build the center part kind of like this. Just that open hole, you know. I'm going to come down here. And that's probably a little bit too long. But that's okay. That's alright, because you know what? This is how I draw. I do what I want. Okay, then I'm going to come up here and I'm going to do this. I know this looks like it's floating, but I've already sketched it out. So I know where I'm going with this. And I know where everything can be placed. So it's not random and haphazard. It's kind of planned, but I'm also just kind of making it up as I go. You know, like I said, that was too long, but that's okay. No big deal. Just gonna enjoy myself and have a good time. Okay, I'm gonna draw another level to it like that, just to kind of, you know, make it come alive, make it awesome. And let's see what else I can do. I'm gonna wait for this, do some more. So now I'm going to play around with the rest of it, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here, do this, come down, come back here like that, and do this, and I'm going to stop right about there because it's got some bandages around it, so I kind of want to kind of accent it like that, and I'm kind of putting it over the actual edge. So see, I'm coming in and the edge is going to be like that. So basically it's going to wrap around like this, and I just wanted to do that so I can accent the bandage over the actual stick like that. Okay, so before I want to do more of that, but before I do that, let's finish up the blade here. So I'm going to come out like this, going to go back, something like that, come up and go back over, Just kind of come down like that. And I'm gonna accent a few little things here. It's got like a couple of beveled edges to it, so I'm just gonna kind of do something like this, just to kind of play around with that that look to it. And let's see, another one like that. And this has another level to it like that. And I'll draw that center part in a second. I just wanted to add these little accents, you know, just to make it cool. And there you go, there's that center part. All right, so let me do more of this bandage here. So basically, I know where my sketch is, so I know where the handle is. So I'm just kind of playing around with the wrapping going around the handle. And because of my sketch, because I know where I'm going, I know how far out I can take it. So see, I did that a little bit further than the handle, so it looks like it's actually wrapped around. And normally well, no, this is not a straight handle, so I can do whatever I want. I was going to say, normally I get the straight edge to play around with that, but since this is not a straight handle, I can just do what I want. I can make it look however I want. So, okay, so there's more bandage this way, and rather than just do one piece at a time, we're going to do this. We're just going to kind of do something fun like this. Just kind of do a stair-step little thing like that, and then we're going to come back and connect them. That's what we're going to do. And what I mean by that is, see, now that I've made those steps, I can just connect it like this. And I've given it a whole new look by using a thick versus thin line. And it's a little different than that. See, this is like almost matched in the line widths, and this is a little bit different because it's thicker. These lines are thinner, and that's what I mean by a contrast, a line width. You know, you're just playing with that just to make it stand out, give it something else, you know. And this stuff like this, these inking techniques will make yours stand out more than your friends. You know what I mean? You just got to practice. And I'm going to do something like that. Keep this nice and thin, just so it doesn't what do you call it? Stand out from this, or so it does stand out from that, so it doesn't blend in, I guess is what I was trying to say. So here I'm just going to do like we did up there, just kind of extend it out myself, you know, nothing too crazy. And just one more, and then I got to draw the edge. And so the edge is kind of this weird, I don't know what it is, I'm just going by the sketch or the actual what do you call it, store picture. And it's kind of got this jaunty edge like that. So yeah, so there you go. All right, so again, I should do this with color, but since I already did some of these, I'm going to add some of these lines just to give you something to draw to. So there you go. It's pretty cool, pretty cool. Okay, so now let's take care of the rest with color. So that is Quick Strike. So here is my colored version. You could do it however you like. I just thought I'd show you how I decided to color it. If you'd like to color it like this, you can always pause the video here and use the coloring techniques that I used, or you can just make it your own. Remember, this is how I draw. You draw how you draw. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures of how I draw. Plus, don't forget to hit that notification button to be updated about each new video.